Ready to turn your closet into an organized, stress-free space? Let's dive in and get your wardrobe working for you. Make the most of your closet door and hang shallow baskets and hooks to store purses and accessories. Use hooks with double-sided tape for lightweight items and to avoid screwing into your closet door. Use cube storage containers to organize the bottom of your closet. Just make sure you move things like dresses and long coats to one side, so the cubbies are easily accessible. Add a hanging organizer to keep folded items like jeans off the bar and neatly stored. Use collapsible or tiered hangers to group like items together like dressy tops or golf polos to keep things organized and save space. Use vacuum storage bags to pack away bulky coats or sweaters for the season. This will help save shelf space and keep your things dust-free until you need them. Another option is to install shelving in your closet. This is an easy project that can transform your closet. Use a stud finder to mark the studs along the wall where your shelving system will go. Then hang the vertical tracks, shelves, and clothing rods per the manufacturer's instructions. With these steps, you can create an organized, functional closet. Head into Lowe's or shop online and give your closet the upgrade it deserves.